Marine ecosystems. Mangroves, seagrasses, and coral reefs are three fundamental ecological systems that benefit both human and marine life, found in tropical and subtropical latitudes. Fish begin their lives in mangroves and transition to seagrass as juveniles before ending in coral reefs as adults. Mangroves are nursery grounds, providing protection for juvenile fish, and also act as a barrier to protect coastlines from harsh weather by reducing erosion and decreasing water velocity, causing increased sedimentation. They also provide nutrients through epiphytes on the roots for the fish and absorb nutrients from land to prevent eutrophication of the ocean. Main threats to mangroves include land clearing for shrimp farms and coastal development. Shrimp farms add pollution to the environment, while mangroves have no additional costs along with their benefits. An intact mangrove has more ecological value than the economic value of a shrimp farm. Seagrasses filter toxins from entering the food web and provide protection from prey. They act as a food source for herbivores through grazing. Main threats to seagrass include disease and anthropogenic threats such as eutrophication and pollution, which can affect climate change. Boat trafficking also introduces invasive pioneer species of seagrass that can outcompete native species. Loss of seagrasses can decline fish populations and cause the death of many species that graze here. It can also reduce fisheries and decrease tourism, leaving locals without jobs. Coral reefs are huge sources for biodiversity that provide habitats for fishes and burrowing organisms. It provides a large tourism industry, especially for developing countries, and acts as cleaning stations for bigger organisms such as rays that can have mutualistic relationships with small fish. Abiotic threats include bioerosion from increased wave action and bleaching that causes coral to expel symbiotic zooxanthellae caused by high or low sea temperatures and reduced salinity. Ocean acidification from increased CO2 emissions causes changes in calcite saturation in corals and deformed calcium carbonate structures. Biotic threats include predation from high acanthaster populations, destructive fishing practices, and coral diseases such as white band and black band diseases. These habitats work in a symbiotic relationship, so a decline of mangroves will have direct effects on the richness of coral reef ecosystems. Without a nursery habitat, fish usually raised in mangroves will decline, causing a future decline of fisheries and coral reef biodiversity.